Prince Harry has been accused of deliberately destroying potential evidence in his High Court phone hacking claim against News Group newspapers, the publishers of The Sun. The Duke of Sussex is currently embroiled in a legal battle, claiming the newspaper violated his privacy through unlawful snooping. NGNs seeking access to emails, text messages and WhatsApp messages, both sent and received by the prince. They're also reportedly trying to obtain 2 encrypted hard drives. Additionally, they're requesting records of communication between Prince Harry and the King's private secretary, Sir Clive Alderton, as well as Sir Michael Stevens, the Privy Purse Treasurer to the King. Correspondence between Prince Harry and J.R. Mooringer, the ghostwriter of his memoir Spare, is also being sought. On Thursday, Anthony Hudson, an attorney for The Sun, accused Prince Harry of engaging in shocking and extraordinary obfuscation by destroying evidence relevant to the case. Hudson claimed that the Duke of Sussex had deliberately destroyed text messages with Mooringer, potentially crucial to the lawsuit. There ought to be proper evidence about this, Hudson stated in court. Those messages are clearly within his control, even if they've been deleted. That's why we say the search for texts and WhatsApps is important. It is, I'm afraid, another example of the obfuscation in relation to the claimant's case. We say that it's shocking and extraordinary that the claimant has deliberately destroyed evidence. During the proceedings, Mr. Justice Fancourt interrupted Hudson to note that the situation was unclear. Hudson responded, "If it is of great concern, it needs to be clarified in very short order." Was this the revelation Lady C hinted at for the summer? Was she implying that Prince Harry would be exposed for lying and destroying court-requested evidence? Lady C predicted that Harry would be caught and directly impacted. She also mentioned it could be embarrassing for Meghan as well. The allegations against Prince Harry raise questions about whether he's been caught lying and destroying evidence requested by the court. Speculations also surfaced about whether Meghan Markle, Harry's wife, may have been involved in the destruction of evidence. According to reports, Mooringer stayed at their guest house and Markle visited him daily. The notion that all research material related to the memoir, including tapes, digital copies, cloud-based backups, physical notes, WhatsApp and Signal messages and emails, were deleted is seen as highly suspicious. It's believed that Mooringer would have kept copies of these materials as proof, in case a third party mentioned in the book decided to sue. Ghostwriters typically retain all such material, unless explicitly required to destroy it by contract. In a recent ruling, Mr. Justice Fancourt ordered Prince Harry to explain how private messages to Mooringer were destroyed despite their potential relevance to the legal action against the Sun's publisher. The judge described the deletion of the exchanges on the Signal messaging platform, as well as drafts of Spare before its publication, as not transparently clear. Harry's lawyers have been instructed to conduct further searches of his laptop and examine his texts and WhatsApp and Signal messages from 2005 to January of the previous year for evidence potentially relevant to the litigation over allegations of unlawful information gathering. Additionally, the Duke's been ordered to make an interim payment of £60,000 in legal costs to NGN after the judge ruled largely in favour of the publisher's request for a broader search for evidence. Prince Harry alleges that journalists and private investigators working for NGN targeted him. He's among several individuals bringing cases against the publisher, with a full trial of some cases scheduled for January.